Hello everyone, I am back with another wonderful tutorial on the Beginners to Masters series. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to validate forms. So let's get started.
Welcome to my stream, guys. It is very important to validate your forms because it helps the flow of users onto a page or a website. For instance, when the user type in the wrong information, a message will pop up letting them know that the information they have typed is incorrect. So to get started, first I will bring in a widget, a box widget. And guys, please, the form here I'm using, it is from one of our previous video. Okay, then reduce it a little and then type in it. So okay, then next I will bring in an icon, warning. Alright, then reduce it. Okay, then change the color of the icon. I will change it to red. Then bring in another icon. Sorry. Okay, this one. And reduce it a little. Then change the color of the icon. I'll change it to white. Okay. Let me bring the widget down. And okay, I want to bring the first, let me give it a shadow. Okay. Sorry. Then the border too. Let me reduce it. I still need to okay, the border color. It's okay now. Then I want to bring the icon here at the top. I want it to be under the widget here, the box widget. So to do that, I will have to drag it on it. So I will select it here, then drag it here. Okay. And let me give it a little shadow. In here will be 3, then I'll do here 2. Okay. Let me preview so that we can see. Alright, I think it's okay now. So now it shows in the browser here, it's showing. So I want to hide it. I will hide it, then do an interaction then when the user click in the sign up button, then the message here, it will pop up telling them that they should fill in the empty space. So when they when the user just click the pop-up button without entering their email, a message should pop up letting them know that they have to fill in the empty space here. So to do it, I will select them and create a dynamic panel. Okay, then hide it. Alright, so now it's hidden in our browser, it's not showing. Then to do the interaction, I will click the button here, then go to, first let me name my dynamic panel. So I'll just give it email error. Okay, so now to do the interaction, I will click on the button here, then go to interaction, new interaction, then click or tab. So set state panel. The name of my dynamic panel is email error. So I will click email error and I want it to fade. Okay, then I had my dynamic panel. It's hidden here. So I had it and it's invisible in my browser. So I will check the box, show hidden, show panel if hidden. Okay, let me preview so we can see. Okay, so now so when the user just click on the sign up button without typing their email, the message should pop up telling them that they should fill in the empty space. But the message, when it pop up, is just there, and I want it, when it pop up, I want it to hide from the page maybe after 2 or 3 seconds. So to do that, I have to set the page on waiting. So I will select the button here, the sign up button, then add interaction, then wait. Okay, it's on 1 second here, but I want it to be on 2 seconds. Okay, then I'll go to hide or show. So email error is on show already, but I want it to hide. When it show, it should hide after 2 seconds. So now I'll take fade. Alright, 2 seconds. Oh, it's okay now. So let me preview, then we see. Okay, so when it pop up on the screen after 2 seconds, then it will hide. So now I'll add a condition to it. And the condition I will add, if the user type in the right email, the page here, the form here, it will change to the next page. So if the user type in the wrong email, the message will pop up telling them that they should fill in the empty space here. So to do that, to add a condition, I will select the button here, then come here to enable cases. Then I will change the name here. Sorry, before I do that, I have to give my text field a name. Okay, so I'll click on my text field and just give it email field. So email field. Okay. Then I will add the condition to it. So enable cases, and I will give a name here. Let's say empty boxes. Empty box. Then add logic. So now, okay, I give it email field. That is the name of my text field. Email field. Then it's not. Okay, so here, text on widget email field. So if text on email field is not numeric, so now it's on numeric, but I want to give a specific email I want to create a specific email so that I can be able to go to the next page when I type it in my form. So if you want to do a specific email, you can choose one of, okay, then you give it a name here. So you can give it the email which you want. So I'll take queen@gmail.com. Okay, so now the email here is if text on email field is not one of, so if their email is not numeric, if their email is not queen@gmail.com, the form, you will not be able to go to the next page. The form will not open for you to go to the next page. And then you can also set it on numeric, meaning that you want your email to be in numbers. So the user will type only numbers, then they will be able to go to the next page. Or you can use alpha. You want it to be in alphabet. So I will come back to choose the other option so that you can see how it's done. For now, I will take one of, because I want my email I want to choose a specific email. So, okay, all right. Then next, what I will do, I will copy it and then paste it. When I copy it and paste it, then I will delete the waiting and the show hi to, I will delete it, and set state panel to, I will delete it. Then I'll be left with here empty boxes. Else if text on email is not one of queen@gmail.com. Okay, so here is the same thing. So I will come in, I will click here. Okay, then empty boxes, text on widget, email field is not. Okay, so now here I will change the is not to is. It's not one of. Okay, let me type the email, queen@gmail.com. Okay, so now if text on email is not one of, queen@gmail.com, the form should not open to the next page. Okay, so let me preview, then we'll see. Okay, so now when I type in there, it will tell me that enter. I should fill in the empty space. So, okay, let me type numeric, then we'll see. Okay, guys, the email is not correct, so the message pop up saying that the user should enter an email. So let me type in another alpha, and then we'll see the text. Okay, still it is not correct. So the message is still popping out saying that the user should type in the email. So let me type in the right email, then we can see the specific email which I choose. So I will type queen@gmail.com. Okay, so now, okay, the email is correct, guys, but the page is supposed to change to the next page. So to do that, I'll add action, open link in. We are in the third design, so I'll choose second design. Okay, so now let me preview, then we'll see. So here, let me say queen@gmail.com. Okay, guys, so it changed to the next page. When you type in the right information, the page changed. When I type the right information, the page changed to the next page. Okay, so we can also take other option. So we will choose, if it's not numeric, then it shouldn't go to the next page. So if you change it here at the top, you should also come and change it here. So if it's not numeric, okay, let me preview, then we'll see. Okay, so I will type in the email I did first. So queen@gmail.com. Okay, it is not correct. That is why the message pop up saying that wrong email. So let me use numeric and then text. Sorry. Then I'll brief and okay, so it is still not correct. So I set it on numeric. That is why. So let me just use numeric, then we'll see. All right, then it is correct. So when you set it, I set it on numeric, then it opened to the second page. Sorry. So here you can choose alpha, you can choose alpha numeric. When I take alpha, meaning that I cannot use numbers in my email. When I use number in my email, the message will pop up saying that it is not correct. So I can't use numbers and letters in my email. Let's see. It is not correct. So I can use only letters in my email. Okay, so the page changed to the second page. Okay guys, so I want to use a specific email, so I will set mine on Queen instead. Okay. Then next two, I will do it here the same. So queen@gmail.com. Sorry, I think okay, then queen@gmail.com. So let me see again. Then okay. Alright, it's correct. So guys, this will be all for this tutorial.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.